In this video, we will look into the details of adipose tissue, which is example of loose connective tissue. Talking about adipose tissue, it has cells which are called as adipose cells or adipocytes. Now, adipose cells or adipocytes are the cells which are specialized to store fat. If we see in this particular diagram, we can see the adipose cells that are present in the adipose tissue. And in these cells, the major part is the storage of fats. Now, since most of the space of adipocytes is taken by fats, so nucleus is pushed towards the periphery. So these are the nucleus. So this particular cell has nucleus which is pushed to the periphery. Now, what is the storage material? The fat which comes, the excess nutrients which we use are not wasted. Body converts those nutrients into fats and the fats are stored in this adipocytes or the adipose tissue. So we can very well say that this tissue is the reservoir of energy and in our body it is present under or beneath the skin. After this, coming to the second type of connective tissue, that is dense connective tissue. In dense connective tissue, fibroblasts or fibers are compactly packed. Dense connective tissue can be divided into two parts. The first part is dense regular connective tissue and the second part is dense irregular connective tissue. Difference lies in the arrangement of fibers. So, in dense regular connective tissue, collagen fibers are present in rows or these are parallel. But in the case of irregular connective tissue, as the name says irregular, so the fibers will not be regular, these will be present in different orientations. The same thing we can see in the diagram. In this particular diagram, if we see these blackish lines, so these are the collagen fibers which are present parallel to each other. But in this diagram, if we see, so these are the collagen fibers that are present in different orientation. Talking about the examples, there are two major examples of regular dense connective tissue. The first example is tendons and the second example is ligaments. So tendons are the structures which will connect bone with skeletal muscles and ligaments are the structure which will connect two bones. One bone will be converted with other bone. Now coming to the examples of irregular connective tissue. This connective tissue is present in skin and this is diagram of this particular irregular connective tissue.